Hey everyone, it's Nick here at Higher Precision, and today we're going to be talking about the Mitutoyo QuantuMike, the coolant-proof micrometer, part number 293-180-30. Today we're going to be reviewing the Mitutoyo QuantuMike, a coolant-proof micrometer, part number 293-180-30. This model here has a range of 0 to 1 inches or 25.4 millimeters. Resolution on the QuantuMike is 50 millionths of an inch or 1 micron, and this specific model has a very impressive accuracy of also 50 millionths of an inch or 1 micron. So now that we know the specs, let's take a look at some of the features. It includes a patented ratchet thimble mechanism to ensure the highest degree of repeatability among users. There's function lock to help prevent error among different operators. The QuantuMike is IP65 protected, so it can be used in a little bit more of a harsh environment compared to other micrometers. It does include a certificate of inspection. The QuantuMike is offered with or without SPC. All QuantuMikes do include carbide tipped faces as well as a nice fitted case. So that wraps up the features on the QuantuMike. Let's take a little bit more of a zoomed in look and take a look at the electronics on the gauge as well as what separates this mic out from others. Now that we have a zoomed up view on the electronics of the QuantuMike, let's take a look at what buttons are here on the electronics. The first button is the origin button, and that can be used to set 0 once the anvils are closed together. The second button is the absolute or 0 button, and what this allows you to do, if we're sitting here and we're going to be measuring our parts, we can come in and we can get a dimension of 0.4959. Next size we have 0.49585. We can actually get the exact measurement, or if we want, we can get the incremental measurement. So we might have some customers who might zero off of a known part or off of a gauge block. Then if we can do that, we're coming in to measure our parts from here, and we're actually going to be measuring just the deviation away from whatever we preset it to. So it has the ability to measure both absolute and incremental, which is nice. The third button here we have is the hold button. And what the hold button does is that allows our operators, if they're taking a measurement here, I'm going to come in on my part, get my third click, but I'm not able to see the actual display. I can hit the hold button. Now what that allows the operator to do is I can move the thimble inside and out, and you'll notice that the display is not changing at all. So the hold button allows operators to lock on to the last measurement, and then to get out of that, we'll hit the hold button again, and we're good to go to keep on measuring here. The final button underneath we have is the inch metric button, and by pushing that, it'll allow you to cycle back and forth between inch and metric. So, what separates the QuantuMike from other micrometers? And the answer is very simple. It's speed. The QuantuMike is 4 times the speed of a standard micrometer. It's much faster, with 2 millimeter per revolution compared to a standard micrometer that's 0.5 millimeters per revolution. There's a ratchet here on the speeder, and then there's a ratchet on the thimble. So usually what most operators are going to do is they're going to use the speeder to open up your anvils, and then once you're getting close, you'll move to the thimble to actually take the measurements there. So this thimble allows a little bit more for stable measurements. It has a ratchet-induced micro vibration along the spindle to help high repeatability measurements, and you'll see on here as well a graduated scale. In addition to the graduated scale, you're going to see the triangle reference mark on the thimble. So this means every millimeter of displacement can be checked, which gives operators a little bit extra confidence when taking their measurements. So speed is definitely the number one thing that separates out the QuantuMike. If we have to mention one other thing, would probably be the price. Many other manufacturers offer speed micrometers in the price range of $600, $700, $800, where the Mitutoyo QuantuMike isn't even going to run you half of that. That wraps up today's review on the Mitutoyo QuantuMike. If you have any specific questions or there's anything we didn't cover you'd like us to answer, feel free to reach out to us at HigherPrecision.com. And until next time, we'll see you again.